Okay, so I'm going to show you how to modify a record in your Keymate memory. So we'll do the bird protocol that I showed earlier where it squawked at me and made an image, but I'm going to modify this in my Keymate memory. So we're going to go to Keymate.ai and just click the shortcut to go to Ultimate Web App. You don't have to have an Ultimate account in order to use your Keymate memory. It's just the platform that we use to do things like work with your Keymate memory. So I'm going to authorize my account and then click Explore Keymate Memory. And this is your vectorized database known as your Keymate memory. So I know it seems daunting, but if you're ever searching for a record, you can just click the search bar. Yeah, here's a bunch of my records. But if you just click here, the search bar, I'm going to type bird protocol and do knowledge base search, and it should pull up that record of the prompt to the very top. So there it is, and I'm just going to click on the right here to modify it. And instead, I'm going to tell it to do an image of a bird pointing and laughing at the user. Make it even funnier. Save it, and let's see if it followed correctly the save. It showed updated save there. So now we're going to load this prompt bird protocol and see if it creates a slightly different image. So I'll do new chat. Same thing, we'll tell it to load the protocol and follow it exactly. And so it's going to search. Sometimes it gets a little slow, and that's okay. Might actually just try it again, just start it over. Sometimes that will work and make it actually load faster. Yep. So now it's going to check, and it's got a specific set of instructions. It's responding slightly differently this time, but it should still follow the rules, so let's see if it does. So I'm going to start asking it some questions. What's the weather today? Thank you for the very long link. I'm sure that will be updated. I'll just pause it and go ahead and ask what the weather is. It should squawk at me. Let's make it so that it produces an image to see if it followed the updated record in my Keymate memory. I don't understand. What does squawk mean? Okay, moment of truth. It's creating an image. Will it create a bird pointing and laughing at me? It did indeed. A terrible looking bird. And that is how you modify records in your Keymate memory.